Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a camera test of the Oppo A53. And guys, this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo. And guys, I want to see that how is the Oppo A53 it is perform in the camera wise, because this phone comes with a triple cameras on the back. On the back we get a 13 megapixel main sensor, then we have a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel for depth sensing, which is coming at f2.4 aperture. And guys, also this phone is costing around 28,000 PKR in Pakistan market. And guys, also on the front we get a 16 megapixel selfie camera, which is coming at f2.0 aperture. And guys, I would say that the front camera it is a lot better than the back camera, which is a really interesting thing. So guys, now let's quickly show you the camera UI of the Oppo A53. And you can see here is the camera UI of the Oppo A53. And guys, also this phone it is running on Android 10 with a color OS version 7.2 as well. And guys, and the chipset on this phone it is a Snapdragon 460 chipset, which is based on 11 nanometer architecture. And also we have a Adreno 610 GPU as well. And you can see here is the camera UI of the Oppo A53. And you can see you get all the mode that you find in this price range. And you can see we also have a video mode, which is obvious. And guys, also we have a portrait mode with the back camera as well as with the front camera. In the more section we also get a macro mode, and you can see as well as some more feature like the pro expert mode. And you can see, and guys, now let's go to the video section. And guys, I would say that we don't get any ultra wide on the Oppo A53 on the back. And guys, I don't like the macro lens or the depth sensor. I want ultra wide over the macro lens on any phone. Now let's go to the video. And you can see the back camera only shoot full HD with a 30 fps video recording size. And guys, we don't get any 4K with the back camera, and you can see. And now let's see the front camera video recording size. And I would say the front camera also give you a same video recording size. And you can see we have a full HD with a 30 fps video recording size even with the front camera. But I have to say that we don't get any night mode with the back camera as well as with the front camera on the Oppo A53. And guys, also we don't get any slow motion feature on this phone. So guys, now let's quickly show you a lot of camera samples as well as video recording. You get better idea regarding the camera performance of the Oppo A53. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A53 with their back camera. And in the back camera it is coming at 13 megapixel and with the f2.2 aperture. And I'm just walking around, and let me know how is the video stabilization looks like on this phone. And guys, overall I have to say I like the color reproduction. I would say it is not really vibrant according what I see on the screen. But now let's see the autofocus speed. And the autofocus speed is also really fast on this phone, and you can see no issue whatsoever. And you can see, and now just little bit walking around for checking out the video stabilization. And now let's little bit running, and I'm just holding my phone with my hand, and you can see. And let me know how is the HDR as well as the colors looks like on your screen. And Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A53 with their 16 megapixel front facing camera. And the front camera, I would say it is a lot better than the back camera main lens, because on the back you get a 13 megapixel main sensor compared to a 16 megapixel main sensor on the front. And let me know how is the video looks like, and the sun it is behind me. Let me know how is the HDR works on this phone with the front camera. But I would say the front camera video recording it is really good on this phone. And just how I'm just walking around, and you guys are the judge of the microphone as well as the video quality as well. And now let's little bit running. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A53 with their back camera in night. And guys, you can see that we have very huge noise in the video, and I'm just walking around. And let me know how is the video quality looks like in night. And you can see we have some autofocus issues with the back camera, and guys also in the portrait mode with the back camera it is not work in this lighting condition. It says that more light it is required. And now let's little bit walking around, and now let's running. And you can see, let me know on the back we got a 13 megapixel main camera on the back. And you can see again autofocus issues in low light situation, and definitely the camera performance it is not really good on this phone. And now it is not even focus. You can see, let me one tab on the screen, and now it is focus. Guys, I do not recommend this phone for the camera. Okay guys, and this is a full HD with a 30 fps video recording of the Oppo A53 with their front camera. Let me know how is the video quality looks like. And you can see, and we have some reddish effect in the video in low light, and now it is gone. And you can see in the blacks like the sky it is not, it's very black. And now let's little bit walking around, and now let's little bit running for checking out the video stabilization. And you can see, and definitely the camera performance it is really bad on this phone, especially in low light. And guys, and thank you so much for watching this the camera test of the Oppo A53. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And guys, overall I have to say that the camera performance I would say it is really average. I would say below average on this phone, because we don't get any night mode with the back camera as well as with the front camera. Also we don't get any ultra wide, which is a bit disappointing for me. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.